This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon grill, full guide. Pat the fillets dry, season both sides lightly with salt and pepper, brush with oil, and place skin side down on a hot, oiled grill. Cook undisturbed for most of the time, then flip briefly to finish. Use a thermometer to reach 125 degrees F to 130 degrees F for tender, flaky salmon, and rest for a few minutes before serving. Start by trimming any uneven edges and pat the fillets completely dry with paper towels to ensure a good sear. Season simply with salt, pepper, and an optional squeeze of lemon or a light glaze. Preheat the grill to medium-high and oil the grates well to prevent sticking. Place the fish skin side down and avoid moving it until it naturally releases from the grill. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and our free recipes. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading outside while the salmon rests, and it makes a handy grilling companion for recipes and timers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on a steady grilling routine. Start skin side down to crisp and protect the salmon, and cook largely without flipping to prevent falling apart. When the edges turn opaque and the skin releases easily, flip once for a short sear on the flesh. Aim for 125 degrees F to 130 degrees F internal temperature for medium doneness. Then remove and let rest 5 minutes so juices redistribute, and the texture becomes perfectly tender and flaky.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.